Let's see how do hashtags work on Instagram. I'm opening my Instagram, going to the search icon over there, and let's say I'm searching for nature. There I can find tags. I can go to the tags. In the tags, I can find nature therapy, nature lovers, and it will take me to the hashtags. If I tap on nature therapy, it will show me 1.9 million reels or the tags that related to that post, or I can tap on that and see I'm seeing many of the reels. Hashtags on Instagram acts as a label or tags that categorize everybody content, making it more easier for the users and interested in similar topic. Let's say I'm I'm going to the specific reel or post, let's say this one, and Instagram will automatically identify the content or the pictures of that image, and it will make easier for people who are using Instagram to find that content by searching for specific hashtags or by clicking on them in the other post. And you can use hashtags in your captions, comments, and even the post that you have posted on Instagram. This is how hashtags work. Thank you.